The evolution of motorcycles, from bicycle add-ons to high-tech machines 1. The primitive origins late 19th century, the first motorcycles were essentially bicycles with small, rudimentary engines attached. The Daimler Reichswagen 1885, often cited as the first internal combustion motorcycle, it was a wooden frame propelled by a single-cylinder engine. It was heavy, loud, and difficult to control. Steam-powered pioneers, some early inventors used steam engines, but they were too bulky and slow to heat up for practical use. 2. The rise of internal combustion early 20th century. As engine technology improved, motorcycles became more reliable and specialized. Mass production, brands like Indian USA and Triumph began producing motorcycles for military and civilian use. World War I. Wars acted as accelerators. Motorcycles were used as messengers and scouts, leading to the development of rugged, reliable engines capable of handling harsh terrain. 3. The post-war boom and the golden era 1940s, 1960s. After motorcycles became a symbol of rebellion and freedom. The cruiser culture, large American cruisers like Harley-Davidson, became iconic symbols of the open road and the outlaw lifestyle. The British invasion, lightweight, fast British bikes like Norton and PSA dominated the global market, focusing on handling and style. Two-stroke engines. These engines became popular for being lightweight and simple, perfect for small displacement commuter bikes. 4. The Japanese Revolution 1970s, 1980s. The landscape changed forever when Japanese manufacturers Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki entered the global stage. Reliability and precision. Japanese bikes were more reliable, smoother, and more technologically advanced than their predecessors. The superbike era. The introduction of the Honda CB750 in 1969 is often seen as the birth of the modern universal Japanese motorcycle UGM. It featured multi-cylinder engines and disc brakes, setting a new standard for performance. 5. Modern specialization 1990s to 2010s. The industry branched out into highly specialized categories to suit every type of rider. Sport bikes, high-performance machines designed for racing and aerodynamics. Adventure ADV bikes, the rise of dual-sport motorcycles that can handle both asphalt and off-road trails. Naked bikes, stripped-down motorcycles focusing on raw power and torque without heavy plastic fairings. Cruisers and touring, large, comfortable machines built for long-distance travel. 6. The digital and electric frontier 2020 as present. Today, motorcycles are undergoing a technological metamorphosis. Electronic rider aids. Modern bikes use IMUS inertial measurement units to manage traction control, cornering ABS, and electronic suspension in real time. Electric motorcycles EVs. Companies like Zero Motorcycles and even legacy brands are developing electric bikes. They offer instant torque and silent operation but face challenges regarding battery range and weight. Connectivity, integration with smartphones for navigation, telemetry, and social riding features is now standard.